pause everything now. You make purchases, investments, or choose bank. But do you really know how to avoid scams and enjoy the best financial apps? By 2025, more than 36 states in the US require digital skills to handle money. And if you don't master it, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table without knowing. Stay with me. In the next few minutes, you will learn quick and practical techniques to use the mobile phone to your advantage. Buy more safely and invest with less fees, and all using only your smartphone. Here on the channel, I teach how to make better, simpler, and safer financial decisions every day. Already signed up? Like, share with those who need to learn how to master money in the digital world, and activate the bell. New content every week. Today you will master 1. How to use fintechs and apps to save. 2. Tools to invest in an automated way. 3. Techniques to avoid online scams. All this with real examples and tips confirmed by experts. Let's go. First, automate cashback in round apps. Experts from CFPB confirm automating the money that comes out makes you save up to 20% without effort. Practical example. Each purchase of $9.50 becomes $10. The cents fall in an investment fund. In just 6 months, this turns into tens of dollars that you didn't even feel you were saving. Second, investment robots and low-cost platforms such as Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance allow you to set up automatic contributions in ETFs with very low rates. The result, your money returns daily with professional diversification, without you having to think about it. This model of money working for you was cited with approval by Nate O'Brien and Andrei Jikh. Third and most important, protect your money. In 2025, digital frauds are in the top 5 of searches for financial education. Practical tip: use two-factor authentication, review notifications in real time, and know how to block strange transactions. Small actions can now save you from a loss of thousands. Comment here. Do you use any app or robot today? Answer yes or no. 1. Round automatic plus cashback equals invisible economy. 2. Robots plus 3. Digital security equals shielding your money. And the best, everything right on your phone, with style and quick results. Check out the links below. Are tools that can transform your way of dealing with money. Just click and get started. Like, share with those who need this digital turn, and sign up for more direct tips. See you in the next video.